If you're seeing a Hubspot server error and you can't create an inbox, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to fix it step by step. We'll check the most common causes, including permissions, email connection issues, duplicate inbox setup, VPN problems, network issues, and even whether Hubspot itself is having an outage. This is the kind of issue that can stop your support or sales workflow in its tracks, so let's get it resolved as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, let's start with permissions. For Hubspot inbox creation to work properly, you usually need admin access. So log into Hubspot, then go to Settings and open Users and Teams. Make sure your account has the correct permissions to manage inboxes and connected email channels. If you're not an admin, you may need to ask someone who is to update your access before you can continue. Next, check your email connection. Go to CRM, then Inbox, and open Inbox Settings. This is where you can confirm whether your email is properly connected to Hubspot. If the connection is broken, incomplete, or hasn't been authorized correctly, Hubspot may throw an error when you try to create a new inbox. Make sure the email account you're using is active and fully signed in. Also, be sure you're using a supported email provider. Hubspot works best with valid providers like Gmail and Outlook. If you're trying to connect an unusual email service or an unsupported setup, that can trigger inbox creation errors. If possible, test with a standard Gmail or Outlook account to see whether the issue goes away. Now, if you already have an inbox connected and you think there may be a duplicate or conflicting setup, remove the existing inbox first. Sometimes Hubspot gets stuck when there's an old inbox connection still attached behind the scenes. Delete the duplicate inbox, then try reconnecting it again from scratch. A fresh reconnect often fixes server errors that seem mysterious at first. Another common cause is VPN or proxy interference. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try again. Proxies can block or interrupt the connection between your browser, your email provider, and Hubspot's servers. Even if everything looks fine on your end, the connection can fail silently in the background. If disabling the VPN doesn't help, try switching your network entirely. For example, move from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, or from hotspot back to Wi-Fi. This helps you determine whether your current network is causing the issue. Sometimes a router, firewall, or network restriction can interfere with Hubspot's inbox setup process. At this point, it's also smart to check Hubspot's status page. If HubSpot is experiencing a service outage or temporary server issue, there may be nothing wrong with your account at all. A back-end issue on Hubspot's side can prevent inbox creation until the service is restored. If the status page shows a problem, the best fix is usually to wait and try again later. So, to recap the main fixes, verify you have admin permissions, confirm your email connection in inbox settings, use a supported provider like Gmail or Outlook, remove any duplicate inbox and reconnect it, disable VPN or proxy services, switch networks, and check Hubspot's current status. In most cases, one of those steps will resolve the server error and let you create your inbox normally. If you've gone through all of these steps and the issue still isn't fixed, try logging out of Hubspot, clearing your browser cache, and signing back in before attempting the setup one more time. Sometimes a simple refresh of the session is all it takes. I hope this helped you fix the Hubspot server error and create your inbox successfully. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Hubspot issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.